Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Hypersoft sneakers reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So let's start with the homepage of this website, and this is the homepage of this website, and it is an online shopping store which is providing retail services of sneakers to various customers, and the site is based in United Kingdom, Canada and United States. Now let's talk about further information including payment info. So you need to scroll down this website, guys, and you will get to know about the online modes of payment, which are Visa, MasterCard, American Express, PayPal, Discover, JCB, etc. Now coming to the shipping policy of the site, let's take a look at the shipping policy. So guys, they have not provided a particular shipping policy section on the site. So let's take a look at the FAQ section. So guys, this time this page is not opening on mobile. Maybe the website is not mobile friendly. So let's talk about, guys, this is the FAQ section here. At the end of the web page, you can take a look at the FAQ section. So let's find out the shipping policy here. So guys, it will take around 10 to 14 days, and here you can also get some more questions related to the website or related to the Hypersoft sneakers as well. Now let's talk about other information including company's info. But guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection. Apart from that, this website has an SSL certificate, which is a positive sign, but we can't claim its legitimacy on the basis of HTTPS protocol connection, guys. So let's talk about the domain info. So we have tried to find out the exact domain creation date of the site, and we are not able to find the accurate domain age of this particular URL. But guys, we have found that the domain name was created on 1st of November 2019, which is the domain of gethypersoft.com. So this is not a legit point here that can define its legitimacy. So let's go further and let's check out the about us information of this website. So this is the about us page. Here they have mentioned about the offering information, and limited info is there. They have not provided the info related to business owner name, business establishment year, brand connection info, etc. So this is a negative sign. Now coming to the contact details of this site. At the bottom of the web page, you can see they have provided contact us page, but guys, they have not provided the official address, contact number and email address in this particular page, which is a negative sign. But yes, they have provided a live chat option. You can connect with the customer representatives via live chat. Now let's take a look at the return policy of this site. So they have mentioned 14 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do not forget to comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product, because it will give benefit to other customers while reviewing a website or making any online purchase. And talking about Hypersoft sneaker reviews, guys, we have found 5-star rating out of 5 on the official website. Here you can take a look. They have also a review section. So you can just simply click on the review section, which is given in the menu option button. And one of the customers said, these literally feel as good as sleepers, but with a sole that's made for running. It's so cool. Rest you can read. But guys, we are not able to find customer reviews on other platforms, which is a negative sign, because we have found more websites which named as gethypersoft.com, and that particular website is known as a legit brand, or you can say is known as a legit website. But guys, I would like to inform you that most of the scam and problematic sites use legit brand websites names. So this is a negative sign, and you should be aware of this factor before investing your money on online portals. So guys, this website is not popular because the trust index score of this site is 8%, which is not good, and the site has bad trustworthiness score, which is a negative sign again. So yes, in the final conclusion, we would say this website appears to be suspicious, and according to the loopholes or based on the discussed factors, we can't claim it legit website, guys. And we highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order, because this site seems to be suspicious, and there are two more websites which is related to the same domain name. So guys, explore the entire information before making any online purchase. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. To comment your thought about this video, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for giving your precious time. Have a good day.